Hey everyone, I'm Ozzy here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a beautiful course website completely for free. And whether you're a teacher, coach, or entrepreneur, these videos for everyone who like to build a course website quickly. This website has everything you need, like a clean and modern design with multiple design variation, a built-in learning management system for your course, easy of use interface for you and your learners, and guess what? It's all free. Now let's see that what we're just going to build in this video, right? So this is totally a template, and like this type of template you'll get to see a lot. You can choose any of them, and the setting and customization, like this type of thing, are totally same to same. But I'm going to show you that how we can add all of the courses here like this way. And also if you have a lot of more courses, then there will be having a pagination. The user can click 1, 2, 3, then they can go to the next page. Also, if somebody click on here, this all courses, this button, then they will go to see all of your courses. And from there, they can merely enroll their courses. Let me show you that as a log out user, like who is not logging in there. As you can see, this is not login somebody. And if I show you all of them at once, so here we can see all of the courses. And also if somebody click on here, the login option, then they will be redirect on this page. From there, they can log in and they can also register it if they're new. So already have log account, then they can log in it, okay? And this is something, the membership option. So if somebody click on the membership, then they will get to see something like this. And if they click on here, then they will be redirect on this page like this way. And in here, they can literally select the option, like they want to go with monthly, annual, or lifetime. And based on this, they will get that course access that you just link with this membership. But if they want to buy only one courses, like only one courses, then they can also do it from here. Just simply click on here, this courses, and from there they can merely purchase it. So when somebody click on here, enroll now button, like enroll now any of this button, then they will be redirect on this page where they're gonna ask the billing information, and then they can select the payment details like PayPal or credit card or manual, how they merely wanna pay it, they can do it. Also, if they have any kind of coupon code, like a discount coupon, they can also apply it, the coupon, and they will get to enroll it for free if they have it. For example, I add here hello coupon and now I get a 100% discount. That's totally free for 1 year. They can easily get the access. Now, if I just open this course, then as you can see, I get to see something like this. And now I can, from there, I can enroll the course. But these two courses are totally free. This module are totally free. So what I can do, I can easily just click on here, read, and I can just view the video. Or if I want to enroll the course, I can click on here button, and then I will be redirect here, something like this to a purchase option where I need to put my billing information and I just need to pay, and I just need to check out this courses if I really want to enroll this course. And when you're just going to see any of the module, then you will get to see something like this. You can see your progress here, how much progress you have done. Also, you can go to the next one. If you want to go with, just click on this button to go with next, or if you want to go with a specific something, then just simply click on here, then you will get to see. And also, as you can see, when I'm just going to this next one, you must enroll the course. So as you can see, this talking about to enroll the course, otherwise I can access it. So I need to go back and I just need to enroll the course from here. If you just click on here, enroll now this button, from there I can enroll the course. Now if I show you that how we can manage it, then if you're just going to click on here, these courses, then you get to see all of the courses. And if you're just going to click on here, the edit button, then you will get to see like course, some settings. You can like update the content, update the course, like a module, whatever. Like also you want to update the price, then you can do it from here. And then it's also have some more setting. Like if you just go to the here, the order, then you'll get to see all of the order, whatever someone like just paid you or create an order, you can just manage it from here. And it's have a engagement option in the bottom. Like you can create the certificates, like this type of thing. And also if you go to the membership, then you'll get to see all of the membership there, and you can manage the membership like plans and price, access, all of this thing you can do from here. Also, if I show you the responsiveness of this website, then this is 100% responsive. As you can see, if I scroll down, then I'll get to see all of the courses. Here is a menu, and if I just click on all courses, then I will get to see all of the courses here. And if I open any of the specific course, then I will get to see something like this. And from there, I can merely continue it. We're gonna complete this website in easy few steps. First, we're gonna buy Rapyd Cloud WordPress hosting. Second, we're gonna install some necessary theme and plugin. And third, we're gonna set up LMS and launch our first course And lastly, we're gonna set up automatic payment gateways like set up PayPal and Stripe so that we can easily receive the payment automatically from our student. First, let's go with step 1, hosting. And we're gonna start with Rapyd Cloud. Rapyd Cloud is a high-performance managed WordPress hosting provider built especially for businesses with dynamic and content-rich website. They are best for e-com platforms, SaaS companies, online learning management like LMS, community and membership platform, and media publisher to deliver seamless and scalable and secure online experience. Recently, Rapyd Cloud came up with a really big update called Rapyd Cloud 2.0. They just added like multiple site plan. Right now, you can just buy one plan and you can just host up to like 60 plus website. If you really want it, then you can do it with a single plan. Then they redesigned their dashboard for multi-plan management. Also, if you are agency, if you like to partner with them, then you can easily do it and earn a lot of commission from them. They also enhanced the multi-site support system, improve scalability and flexibility, developer-friendly enhancement, and much more. I will give you this link in my description so that you can check it out in details, and I hope you're gonna get it impressed. Now, if you check my description, then you will get like a link called Create a Free Account. Just click on this link. Then you will be redirected on this page. And in here, if you just select here like single site and multiple site, then you'll get different pricing. For example, right now I'm with single site, and for single site, I need to pay $35 per month. And if I go with annual, then I will get 2 months free with $29. And if I go with Startup Flex, then it's gonna be $91. And it's also have a Startup Flex 1, that's $79 if I go with annually. But if I go with 2 years plan, then I will get 6 months totally free. And for 2 years, each of this month, I need to pay $71 per month. And this is totally for only one website. As you can see, it's totally one website. But if I just switch to multiple site, then as you can see, it's just increased a little bit, but it's definitely very worth it, as you can see. If you go with, let's say, 2-year plan, then for per month, I need to pay $74, but it's like almost 3 websites. But if I go with monthly, then $99 for 3 website. If I just annual with, it's 83 website. And if you see about here, this auto scaling, right now it's 36, but if I just override now, it's going to be 73, as you can see. If I increase in here, it's going like 292 like this way, and you can host up to like 60 website. But if you need more like agency, then you can just 30 plus website, you can do it here, and some more features is also included. Also, if you like to see comparison, like what is the performance with other companies, let's say, if you see here, this is the compare with WP Engine, this is the compare with Kinstar, this is the compare with Traceable, and CloudOS, AWS, CloudOS, DigitalOcean, like a lot of company they already compare with. So if you like to see the performance and how it is mainly, then you can do it. Also, each of this plan, as you can see, they giving like Object Cache Pro, that's worth it like $75 per month. And also like patch tag for security, it's gonna be $99 as you can see per month. That's totally for free with this plan. That means if you purchase or if you go with this plan, you don't even need to buy like different things, right? Also, they include free SSL for you. Okay, so now let me show you that how we can purchase. Let me go with multiple site, and I really want to go with Flex 1 because I think it's okay for with me. So let's click on Start for Free, this button. And now in here, you just need to just put your name, first name, last name, your phone number, that's really optional, your email and password, and just click on here, this sign up with email, like this button, okay? But I already have an account, so let me log in my account first. After this, you will get to see something like this with the 2 options. One is like start a free trial and start immediately. And it's something like you will get a 3 days free trial if you go with this. And it's also like change your plan, but you can do it from here, like billing period. You can like literally do it like a monthly, you can go with annual, you can go with 2 year, whatever you want, you can do it just from there. And if you have any discount coupon, then you can apply here. I will give it in my description like a coupon code. If you really want to use it, then you can do. Like if you're using like RZ25, then you will get a 25% discount. If you go with 2 year, then this amount will be a lot. If you say like this, almost like $214, that's if you use RZ25. And this coupon is only valid for Fast2 subscription only. So try to be as faster, okay? Because if the 2% is redeem this coupon code, then if you're a third person, then you cannot redeem like 25% discount. Anyway, let's go back. And if you like to change your plan, just click on change plan button. Then you'll go back, and from there you can like switch it to, let's say if you go with, let's say startup one. If you have a lot of website, then you can just click on to start free. Then you will be redirected again on this page, and now you can like do the payment and go with, right? And if you want to go with 2-year, annual, everything, you can just select it from here. Okay, so let me finish my order, then I'm again continuing. And now in here, you will get a few options like site, then environments, and then have a domain and also have a team. So if you want to add someone else and you're on this team, then you can invite to them. And if you like to add your domains, all of them here, once a year, you can do it from here. Just add your domain name. And at the last, I will show you that how we can do it also. And this is the environment. And this is like if you like to add a new site. So let's start with the new site. So let's click on create site. And then they're going to show all of your subscription. So I like to go with my Startup Flex one. And I can create almost 3 websites in here. Let's click on confirm plan. And now we need to give it a name of this environment and then where our data will be there. I think we're going to go with this one, like, or maybe Europe will be better because it's nearby for us. It's totally something like where your business is. If you select the nearby location, then your website will be much more faster. Something like they can easily get the data, right? So this is something we're gonna say like, what you can say, just any of the name, Aussie website, or let's say my name, Aussie website. Yep. And the PHP version will be 0.3 definitely. Let's go with the continue, and then the site name. What's gonna be my site name? So I like to say Aussie tutorial, and the default name will be there. Maybe we can add a custom name with it. So let's can be anything. So let me copy and paste, or let's say type anything. So it's double A. Yeah, let's say Aussie tutorial. And also if you would like to install here WooCommerce, then you can do, but for now I don't want it. So let's click on add site this button. And now as you can see, they are start creating to build a website, and within a few minutes, they will build up everything. And as you can see, it's installed done. And the pretty interesting thing is like, you can just one click, you can take a backup, you can clear your caches. Also, you can log in your PHP admin. Also in a setting, like you can, if you want to migrate an existing website, you can do. If you want to see the subscription, you can do. Also, if you like to delete the website, you can do it from here. And now if you just want to see the preview of this website, click on the link, then you will get to see the preview, like it's totally fresh WordPress installed in here. And now if you want to log in this WordPress dashboard, click on here, this WP admin, this button. And now you're going to redirect to the same website with the admin panel. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Yeah, just log in. Also, if you want to just log in like using your email and password, what you can do, you can just like write here WP_admin. It's maybe understand. It's like something like this one. Then you will be redirected on this page, and now we can just like put your username and password to log in there. So I'm not showing you right now. It's gonna be later. I will show you. And now let's see some more setting here. So if you see this WordPress, from WordPress, you can mainly see here the version. Also, you can check it out the themes, and you can check it out the plugins. If you like to update any of this, you can do it from here. So you don't need to log in your admin panel to update this thing. And if you go to the security, then this is the security as you can see right now here. You can see the backup. If you go to this manage option, domain, database, file access, manager. So the thing about here, you can easily access your file. That's pretty interesting. So you don't need to install any additional plugin, or if sometimes our website is got hacked or something like we just do mistake, we can easily do it from here. Just do all the customization from here. This is really good. Here's our cron jobs. If you like to add any of them, that you can do it. Here we have a cache, logs, and PHP. That's pretty interesting. A lot of features there. And if you go back again here, then you will get to see all of the data here, and everything is normal right now. And you can go with this site. You can add a new site if you really want to add it. And also by one click, you can just log in your WordPress website. And this is the users. This is like the log. This is the file access if you will when I get it, then this is something like manage some of the more services there. If you want to, let's say Elasticsearch, PHP worker, like this sort of thing, if you want to restart or stop, then you can do it from there. And this is something like online, and you can restore the environment, or you can stop environment or delete environment. So this is pretty interesting thing. I like all of this setting, and I highly recommend you to explore this all if you're like it also, then you can explore it. Also, if you want to add a more site, just click on add site button and give it a site name, and then your next site will be installed in there. And we're going to create here up to 3 websites totally, maybe. Yeah, we're going to create 3 websites here. As you can see, 1 we already done, and we can create 2 more. So yeah, I hope you understand about Rapyd Cloud. And now let's go to the next. After you log in your WordPress dashboard, you will get to see something like this. So this is our one banner that's welcoming us. So you can just simply dismiss it, and then you will get some of them widget here. So if you like to clean it or want to add something new, just click on here, the screen option, then you can just simply add in a new one, or if you want to disable any of this, then you can easily do it from here. Yeah. Okay, so now if you're just gonna click on here this update option, then you will get all of the update whenever WordPress send any plugin update or theme update, it will get us here, and from there you can mainly update your things. Okay, also if you look at this top bar, then you will get this option called view site. Just click on this button, then you will get to see this like a website view, like as a user what they're gonna get to see from here. And if you look at this right sidebar, then you get to see a profile. From here you can log out. Also, if you like to edit a profile, you can do it. And this is for edit site. And if you like to post any new things like post, media, pages, services, you can also create it from this top bar. So yeah, it's also available on here. And the next thing, have the post. So from here, you mainly write blog content for your WordPress website. So whenever you search on Google, like you get this problem, right? And then what you see, you get to see like a lot of posts there. So this type of post mainly you can just write from here. So if you don't really understand, then let me show you a little bit example. So as you can see, I searched what is blog in WordPress. I get to see a lot of blogs. And if I open any of this is mainly the blogs. And this type of same thing, we can create it from here, from this add post option. Okay, so if you're just gonna click on here, this add post button, then you'll get to see like this. You can just add here your title. Also, if you like to add here any description, then you can do it. Description. And also if you like to modify or style it, then you get this option. For example, let's say the title, this is have the setting like blog. For the title, it doesn't have anything, but for this description, it's a blog. So you can literally change the color, change the background, also the size, dimension, border, whatever you want, you can do it. And this is mainly the blog post setting. So if you want to set up anything, let's say right now you want to publish it, you can do it. Or if you like to schedule it, then you can do it. And this is like the title, like the link, how it will be. As you can see, this is the Slack. And this is like the author, who is going to be the author. If you like to change it, then you can do. And here is this, the template. And like you want to open this discussion, like people can comment there or not, you can just enable it from there. And this is the format, like how it's gonna be. And this is something for the category. So let's say this post is specific for WordPress, so you can just add a new category there and you can just set up it. So let's say I'm gonna search here WordPress, and I'm just gonna add this. Also, if you like to create a subcategory, for example, let's say for let's say it's a football, right? And in football, for which type of people they're gonna use, I mean, which are people for it? It's gonna mainly for the kids, or it's mainly for the men. So this is something we can easily do the selection. For example, I like to make like WP. This is our main category. So I just type here WP videos. This is going to be our parent category. So under this category, I like to add this category. So how it's going to be, as you can see, when I add it, as you can see, this category automatically added. If I add audio WP, and if I select it as a parent one, then as you can see, this is going to be as a child and there. So if you like to select this category, or if you like to available this same post with this category, then you can like select it here. And here is mainly the tags. Tag is something like that keyword that mostly people are searching on Google, or mostly people gonna search on your website to find out this content. So try to relevant this tag based on your content so that kind of user easily find out it. For example, when I talk about this what is blog WordPress, I found this post because they use the same title, they use the same keyword. That's why this post is coming up to me. I hope you get the idea. So now if you like to see these like the preview, just click on here this and then preview mode. Then you're gonna get to see the preview. Also, if you like to add any image here, click on a post and then you get an option called set a feature image, and from there you can easily set up any of the image for this post. Then it's gonna be available with it. Okay, and now let's click on this publish button to publish it. Now let's see this. As you can see, this post is right now published and anyone can view this. Okay, let's go back. Just click on here this logo. Then all of the category you will get to see. Also, if you like to create manually by yourself, then you can do it from here. And it's have a media, all of the media, like all of the images, whatever you upload on your website, all of this thing you will get to see here, and you can see it in list view, or if you like to see it in grid view, then you can do it. And then it's have a pages option, and it's also have a add a new page. For example, I like to add a new page, so I can click on add page button, and all the setting is kind of same. Also, they are showing me some of the pages if I like to use it, but I don't need that. So let's say I like to add here my home page. So simply homepage mine as a page, and I can just simply publish it. And whenever people gonna visit this page, they will get to see it. This is the page, one page mine. Also, if I like to design the page, I can do it from here. I can easily do it here. I can like whatever I want, I can do. Just click on a plus icon, then you'll get a browse all. Then all of the items you will get here. You can literally design the page by yourself, like how you really want. You can do it. Like let's say if you like to add a heading, or if you like to add a paragraph, if you like to add a list, if you like to add a code, whatever you want, you can just like add it from there. Okay, so also it's have some patterns. So if you like any banner, or let's say any starter things, then you can also check all the patterns. And if you just explore the pattern, then you will get to see some more design. If you like to add, then you can do. Okay, let's go back. I hope you understand about the page, and it's look like the same, like post and page is same, but design is same, but work is different. Post is mainly for the content, like the blog, but page is something like higher up, whatever you get to see that we design in our website. For example, let's say this WordPress Cloud website, this is designed with a page. This is like not designed in blog, this is designed in page. Okay, this is all about the comments, the next, and then have a appearance like theme, and let's have a plugin we're gonna discuss in later definitely. And then let's have a user. So all of the WordPress user you will get to see here, and if you like to add a new user by manually, then you just need to click on here this add a user, this button, and you can set up a username, email, first name, last name, website, and also you can set up here a password or whatever you want. Also you can set up here a role. It can be a subscriber, it can be a administrator. Administrator is higher up, like whatever you want you can do it in a website. You can add a new admin or whatever you want, you can do it. Also you can like change this role to as an instructor, whatever the role you want, you can do it. In future, if you like to build this website, like multiple instructor gonna manage it, then you can just enable this option pretty easily, and yeah, it's really work well. Then it's have some tool option that mostly not necessary for now. Import export, that's not necessary. Let's go to this setting option. So from this setting, you can change your website title, whatever you want, whatever your purpose of the website, you can title, you can give a tagline. If you have a side icon, like 50 by 50 or 500 by 500, you can add the side icon. Side icon is something like, as you can see, the top bar, you can see in our WordPress part have an icon, in Tela have an icon, or if you look at this other website, they also have an icon. This is mainly called the side icon, and this is by this way user can easily navigate. Okay, this is the website that I like to open again. So okay, if I like to go back to Google, I can go ahead. If I like to go back to the WordPress part, I can go ahead. And here is the option like membership option. If you like to enable this, yeah, I definitely want it. People register my website, so I enable it. And what will be their role when they join it? So I like to change them as a student whenever somebody register it. And if you like to change your website language, this is like not the entry website. This is all about the backend, like the dashboard. If you like to change the language, you can do it from here. So let's save it. And it's also have a writing, so we don't need that for now. And this is mainly for the reading. So if you want to make a different homepage, different blog page, you can do it from here. For now, let's leave it. This is a discussion, we don't need that. And let's go to this permalink. So make it post name. This is going to be SEO friendly, and save the changes. Yeah, that's it. All about the WordPress dashboard. And I hope you get a clear idea that how it's smelly work and how it is smelly. Let me know if you have any questions. Now let's install a theme and plugin. So for the theme, we can use any of the thing, but I like to go with Astra. So to add the new theme, just click on here, this add theme button. And then on this right sidebar, you will get option called source and search here Astra. Simply search it. And then you will get this plugin. Just simply click on here, this install button like this. And as you can see in here, it's already installed. So let's click on here, this activate button to activate this theme. Also you will get some more theme here, 3 of them. So you can literally delete it by this way. Just click on this and click on delete button. And then this theme will be deleted. So as you can see now, this Astra is now already installed and activate. So what you can do, we can go here, this Astra option, then you get option called start a template on this top bar here. Click on here, install and activate, because by this way, we're gonna easily just use their starter template to do everything faster. Okay, so we don't need to do the, let's say, the homepage design or any other page design. And here the two option, one is like AI website builder, one is like classic template. So if you like to go with AI, then you can go with this. But for now, I like to go with like template. Then which page builder you like to use. So if you already know about blog editor, then you can go with that. And this might be easy if you like to change the images or let's say the text, then it might be better. But if you like to do something more, then you can go with Elementor. So I select Elementor and they're scanning all of the template library. In the meantime, maybe we just need to install the Elementor plugin. Let's wait and see. All right, so as you can see, we get all of this there. And now let's search here course simply. Then you will get a lot of course there. Just simply choose whatever you want. Some of them are premium and some of them are free. So you can choose which one do you like to go with. If you like to make a language teacher website, then you can do it from here. And this is, let's see how it's look like. Maybe it's also have an option. So if I just click on this, then this is the preview. So if you like it, then you can go with this. So let's back and let's find out some more. Also, it's have one of them academy course. If you like to build academy something, then it's have a template. So if you just click on this, then you will get to see that. So the most thing is like whenever you're choosing it, try to choose that you personalize the colors and fonts if you really want it. But this one looks pretty nice. This one, if I see that how it look like. Also, yeah, this looks pretty cool. Maybe we can design it again. No worries. But this looks pretty much cool. So let's go with that. But also, I don't really like this font. So what you can do, I can change the font here. If I don't like anything, I can literally change it. And this one is good. So let's also select the color. If you don't like anything, just select which color do you like. This one is also good, not so bad. This one is a little bit red type of color. If you like orange type of, and this is something different. Yeah, this is pretty much good, not so bad. Just choose one of these. Which one do you personally like? Let's click on here, this continue option. Then they are saying like, do you want to get a new features like website email on SMTP? That's required, but we're gonna do it later. Or we can just skip this step. And then I understand, build my website. And as you can see, it's now ready. And let's click on view my website. Let's see how it's look like. Yeah, this is our website. It's now ready. Here the academics, activities, contact, everything is right now ready. So my website is initially ready. And now we just need to set up our like LMS thing. So for this LMS, we just need to go here plugins and we need to click on add new this button. And let's search here LifterLMS, or I will give you this link in my video description. So if you just go to there, then also you can access it. Okay, so if you search your LifterLMS, then you will get this plugin like this one, like LifterLMS, this one. So just simply install it and let's activate it. So after activating it, you get to see something like this. So if you see that like you forget about it, or you are just like undo somewhere, what you can do, you can go to here LifterLMS. Then you can go here this status like here, and then you can go here this tools and utilities. Then you will get an option called setup widget. Click on return setup widget, this button, and then you get the same option. Because this is really important. If you do it, then some of the page, payments, coupon, all of this thing you can set up from here. So that saves your time. So I like to go with get started. This is my pages what they're gonna create. So I like to save and continue. Also my currency will be, and also I like to enable offline payments. So all of this here, just simply change it if you like to, save and continue. And here will be the coupon. So I like to allow. And now at the last, I like to set up here all of the courses. This is the courses that will be enabled on my website for now, so that my website doesn't look empty. So let's import the courses button. Maybe I just forget to click on here, this one. So we can, later we can import it, no worries. As you can see, this is 5 of them are added, done. So if I just click on this view option, then this is the course that's we just added. So if you're gonna click on this, then we're gonna get to see something like this. This is the next way. So yeah, this is all about. And now if I go to these pages, maybe they're gonna add all of them. As you can see, this is membership catalog. Here's a dashboard. If I just click on the dashboard, it's just a course. So if I go to this course catalog, as you can see, the course is almost there, all of them here. And this is like our dashboard here. So I can see the dashboard. So the problem is on this design, if you look carefully, that this font and this thing looks really, really bigger. So we can literally change it from this customization option. From the customization, we can literally change all of this. Whatever I want, we can literally do it, and also we can make it really better. So if you want to change the font, you just need to go to global, and from this typography, you can change this font. Like let's say H1, as you can see right now, it's 80 pixel. So I can make it 60 pixel. As you can see now, it's reduced the size. Also for the H2, I like to make it 44, for example. I can easily do it. Also on this H3, let's say I like to go with 34. I can do it. So that's why I'm saying here that whenever you're choosing any theme, try to make it like this is that you feel like this is good, or the design you like personally. So I like to go with 20 or maybe 2 pixel, and the H font might be 15. And here is a paragraph, or maybe yeah, body font here. So body font, it's 16 pixel. That's pretty fine. We can make it 15 one. Heading font should be this one. Also, you can change the font size also. I mean, font family, if you like to change, then you can do it. If you like to change anything here, then you can do it. So now as you can see, this looks pretty smaller right now than before. Or if you like to change this H1 62, let's say 48, that's pretty good. Or maybe we can do 40, that's fine. 40 is fine. So yeah, now this size is reduced. Before it was really bigger, now it's really smaller, and now it's much more organized, as you can see. Also, we can change the font and more font. Just click on this existing page and click on this customize option. Then you will be redirect on this, and from there we can do all of the settings how you personally want. Now we just need to install another plugin. This is mainly called, just click on here, add plugin, this button, then search here, custom profile plugin. So here you get to see a lot of plugin there. Just install the latest one that you feel like this is good. This one is mainly for something more. We don't need that. Maybe this one is enough. So let's click on here, this install button, user profile picture, because this is what we want. Or this one may be also good. So let's activate it. And now if you just gonna click on here, your profile here, and edit profile, this button, then from here, now you can click to edit this button, and you can like upload your own image. So I already have one of them. So I just select it. So why I'm doing it, because if you look at our existing website right now, if I show you why I'm doing it. So if I go to courses, then course, then you get to see all of the courses. And now, as you can see, this is the author, and this is something like look, the name or image. So I like to change it. That's why we're just doing it. So let's click on set profile, and username, we can change it. And also I need to change my name. So this should be MT, last name will be H2 or this. And this should be our display name. So display name will be this. And this is the image that is set up right now here, profile picture. And this, yeah, this is everything fine. So let's click on here, this update profile. And if I go to my course again, reload the page, and as you can see now, it looks much more better. Also, if you like to add any kind of information about you, then you can do it here. So for example, I like to add here, this copy paste this content to see the how it's look like. So let's update it and let's see it. As you can see now, this is something that we just added. So let me update the content. So now as you can see, I just added the little content so that people can easily see like who is the author. So yeah, that's it. Now let's see that how we can customize the header. So the first thing I like to add here, like our new pages that's coming from LifterLMS. So what I can do, I can go back to here, our dashboard again, and go to appearance and click on here, this menus. And for these menus, you will get to see this is our primary menu, and this is all about there. So what I like to get like here, I don't really need about here, because first of all, I like to show that like my courses. So what I can do, this activity, I don't need that. This academic, I also don't need that. So I can remove it, and I can go here, view all, and here as you can see, course catalog, dashboard, and membership catalog, purchase, this thing out there. So what you can do, I can, if I want, then I can add all of them. So let's simply add it all. Let's keep this at the last. Okay, now for now, I like to save it. And where it's going to show, it's going to be primary menu, off canvas menu, but this is not going to be our footer menu. So footer menu, we're going to make something different with about us, something like this. So let's go to the view site. And now, as you can see, we get a pretty long here. This is membership catalog. This is something for dashboard that can users get to see. This is something that course catalog, like all of the courses that we get to see our user. And this is something for the purchase option that's totally empty. But we don't really need this purchase option here. So what you can do, we can literally delete this page. And membership catalog, it's fine. We're gonna update it later. So if you look at this membership catalog, this is gonna be needed in later, right? We can easily do it. This is a dashboard, but I was thinking if we could add this dashboard in this left sidebar, that might be better. So let's try it. So let's go here, the customize option, and here we're header builder. Click on there, and now as you can see, this is our social option. So what you can do, we can literally just delete it, or we can now plus icon, we can click, and from here we can literally add the elements. Let's say account, we can do. Let's see how it looks like. This is the account. So let's click on this publish button. So now I just set up here this avatar here, so that as you can see, we get to see the icon. I mean icon or images, whatever you set up, you will get to see. And what happened when somebody click on this? So they will be redirect on this URL. And in this logout view, I like to go with text and then go with icon. And then we also like to add here the dashboard, definitely. So when you adding here like the link, try to go with slash, like this slash. It might be better, because in later, whenever we're gonna change the domain, it might be better. So let's keep it only this slash dashboard like this or this. Now we're gonna create our first course. So for this, we just need to click on here this courses and just here this button. Then we need to click on here this add new course, or even you can click on here to create a new course. And now in here, you can just add your title, description, course information, and also if you scroll down a little bit, then you get some more setting. So let's add the information there. So I already use AI to write these, so let me copy and paste. And in here, for example, I like to add a more like a new paragraph. So what I can do, I can click on the plus icon. Then you get a lot of elements or blocks there, like paragraph, heading, list, a lot of things there. If you just scroll down, and then you can explore it by yourself. So I need the paragraph. So what I can do, I can simply drag and drop it here, and then I can write it. And now I can just make them bold. So simply just select it and make it bold like this way. You can easily make it bold like this way. Just simply select it and make it bold. That's it. Also, if you just click on here this layer, then you can get to see all of the layers that we just use here. Yeah, that's it. And now if you scroll down a little bit, then you get to see like sales page. So this is something like display default course. So maybe it's okay. We don't need to do anything. And for this access plan, it's something like if you're gonna make it paid or free, you can do it from here. So for example, I like to make it free. So add a plan, then just go with this free option. This is the text. Also, if you like to write something about the description, like plan description, then you can do it. For now, I don't want it. So let's save the plan. And now if you go to this course option, then you can set a featured image for this course. So I like to add here this image. So if you like to use your own featured image, then what is mainly the size? So if you see the size, then it's going to be 1600 by 900. It's going to be. So create some design with this size and then simply upload here. So I'm just gonna upload in here, this one, and set it as a featured image. And right now, as you can see, it is here. Also in here, this is some of the category there. So this is mainly for the beginner, like who is mainly the target audience. You can do it from here. So this is something like category. So this is mainly for beginners, I'm going to say. Also, if you, let's say this is all about the AI course. So I can write under category. This can be like AI course. So this is gonna be under category. So yeah, this is, and if you go to here, this difficulty level, then this might be a beginner. Yeah, this is fine. We don't need that. So this is I select as a beginner, and this might be a tag. Tag is something like, you know, like mostly people are searching on Google so that people can easily get the course or easily get the content. So this is mainly that tag, something like keyword. So yeah, course I can say, or I can say a Figma course like this, I can say. So this is the tag. And now I can literally click on the publish button to publish it. Or if you want to see the preview, click on this desktop version or any of this here. And just click on preview needs mode, this button, then you can get to see this preview. So this is mainly the course preview that as a user can also get to see. Now we just need to click on here, this launch course builder, this button to add our courses. So when you're going to add it, you will get like by default, they're creating 3 of them. So we just need to add here the module name, for example. So this is going to be our module name here. Just going to hold and shift Control V, then it's going to be same as it is. And the next one is going to be, this is the course overview, lecture 1. So I like to copy the text, and this is the lecture. So double click and simply paste it. And here you just need to add the video. Like your course video. So for now, I don't have much video. So what I can do, I can use my channel video there. Yeah, just save changes. Go to the next one. And I like to copy the text. And go to the next one. Just simply paste it. And again, let's need another video. So what I can do, I can copy and paste this one also. Yeah. This one, just paste it, and then you just need to go to the next one. Next one is something like, as you can see, this is a quiz. So what you can do, you can just copy the quiz 1 and go back here and just click and change it and go to the quiz option, create a quiz, and here add a question, and it's gonna be multiple choice. And here we just need to add a text like question 1, simply add it. Also, we need to add here the answer. So what you can do, this can be answer 1, and maybe this is something our answer 2. Okay, so we just need to copy it, simply paste it. We just need some more, so let's copy it also. Okay, so literally you can select which one is correct. For here, let's say A1 is correct, so I go with A. Let's add a new one if you like to add, then you can add here the new one. For now, I like to just copy paste the questions here. This is, and now let's say add a question. This can be true or false, and the question will be, let's say question three, this one. Yeah, that's it. If you like to add more questions, then you can do. Let's save the changes. Yeah, now it's added now. Maybe we all done. So if you're just gonna click on view course, this button, then you get to see. So this is the course, and people are just gonna click on this option, or if they open it, then they will get to see the video. If they complete it, then they can mark it complete, and they go to the next. They will get to see the next video. Also, if you like to add any kind of text there, maybe you do.
He also have a if you just go specific any of this, then you can do it. Also, one of the features I personally like, this is something drift method. If you like to make your course like in a specific date, for example, the first day they will get to see this section, the next day they will get a new section. This is mainly called the drip option. So by this drip option, you can if you like to enable it, then you can do it. Also, if you want to make it free lesson for now, like this free lesson, then people can also see it as a free. If you really want it as it is, then you can do it. So drift is something like this, that if you like to just enable this feature, like after completing the module 1, then the module 2 they will get, let's say, after like 24 hours later. Like this way, if you want, then you can use this drift option. So if you go to this restriction here on this course, then you get to see some more settings. Let's say enable enrollment period. So if you like to set a date, like by this end of this day, they can start or they can like enroll it. After this, they cannot, they can do it. And this is something like enable course time period. This is something like the date. And this is something like enable. So this is something like your student need to complete this course, then they can start it. Something like this. If you just read this this text, then you understand it. Then have a lesson drip option. So if you like to enable it, then you can do it from here. So as you can see, like number of lesson make immediately available for this course, how many lesson you like to add. So let's say I want to add 1, then I can do it. And I would mainly the delay of here. So I like to, let's say 24 hours. And if you like to just make it, let's say specific course, then you can do it from here. Okay, if you would like to do it. So for now, in my case, I don't really want it because I want to sell it and they can do whatever they want. It's if they want to finish it 24 hours, then it's totally their wish. Okay, let's go to see it, how it's look like right now. So this is the look right now. And also, I think if we go to the general and if we add a new video, that might be more better, more effective. I think it's something like featured video. Okay, now let's save it. And now if we just reload it, and now as you can see, this is now it's pretty much good. People can get to see this feature video, they can understand what is this, and then they can go to the next, they can see it, and then they can go to the next. Now let me open again the launch course builder. And now as you can see, we already added a new section. So added a new lesson, and as you can see how easy it is to add a new lesson. Just add the title. Let me go back to here. Just simply add the title like this way. You can simply add it. Also, you can add here the video. For example, I like to copy paste the same video, so let's add it. Also, for this new section, if you like to rename it something like, let's say AI problem solving, like this, just simply do it. Okay, so by this way you can mainly add a new section or listen. By this way you can do it. Now we're going to see that how we can customize our course sidebar. So what is mainly it is, so if you go to this view course, and if you go to these, let's click on here basic like this one, then as you can see there is no sidebar. And if I need to go to the next, then I need to click on here this next button. But if I want to jump into the next and next lesson, I can't. So I need to go back again and I need to click on this option to go to say it, right? So now to fix this option, what you can do, we can add a widget. So go to appearance and click on the widget option, and then we just need to go here listen sidebar because we just need to work on that. So let's click on add like blog button, and let's search here progress. Then you get a course progress here, and now we can add here the name of this. Let's say we can say your progress. And then also you can click on the plus icon, and if you're just going to click on here this view all button, then you get to see all of the blocks that you can add here on the sidebar. So in my case, I like to add here this syllabus, so I can just click, then it's going to be added here. And now if I just going to select the course here by simply, then you'll get to see like this. Let's click on the update button. Now if you go to this page, you're not going to see anything here. It looks normal. So what we need to do, we need to go here this customize option at the top bar, just click on the customize option. Then you will be redirect on this page, and now you need to go LifterLMS and scroll down a little bit. Then you get like course and lesson sidebar layout. Just simply click on this right sidebar. Then as you can see, we're gonna add it here. So let's publish it. Maybe it's also published. What you can do, you can simply search it, reload it, sorry, and then as you can see, we get to see this option, and I can easily See it. Now I can't see anything here, this progress, because I'm not the guy who's logged in already. That's why. So let me just to check market this. Let me reload to the page again. Now as you can see how much is progress is there. I can see it, and also I can just view the next course. So I can just give this quiz. Yeah, I can do it mainly from here. Also, one thing I don't really want here, this sidebar. What I mean by that, if I just open here my course, I get to see a blank space that I totally don't want. So what I can do, I can go to here, edit course, this button at the top, and then on this 3-dot setting, you will get to see option called Astra setting. Click on here, Astra setting, then scroll down a little bit, then you get option called sidebar. So what do you need? We don't really need any kind of sidebar. Simply select no sidebar and simply save it. Let's go back here again, and now it's full width. If I open any course, then I will get to see into this sidebar. Yeah. Also, one less more setting, like if you want something like this type of module, like drop down type of module here on the sidebar, then what you can do, we can go again this widget and then just click on here plus icon and just search here course module again or course syllabus, or you can just click on view all these option, scroll to the bottom, then you will get here course outline. But when this course outline, we mainly need this course syllabus. So let's find out here, or if we don't get, just search again course. Yeah, here is it. As you can see, this is the course syllabus. So this is the one. You just need to select it, and then you need to write here the title, that whatever you want, course, let's say syllabus or module, I'm gonna say it, and it's gonna be make it collapsible. Definitely, I really want it. Update it. Let's go back to the page, reload it. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, here is the two of them. You can go with which one do you like. If you have a lot of items there, you can like go with more, this type of collapsible things. But if you have a little videos, then I think this is pretty much good.
Now let's see that how we can customize the website. So if you import any kind of design using Astra plugin, then it's going to be same. Let me show you how you can do this homepage. For example, I like to do the homepage. So what you can do, every single page, you will go there, you will get this option called Edit Elementor at the top bar. Just click on there, then you will be redirect on like the edit page, or you can just like add the content here. For example, if you like to change the content, just click on there, just change it from here, the left side. Also, if you like to change the color, then you can do it from the style. And if you like to do some more setting, then you can do it from the advanced option. And every single time, if you're not going to say it, it might be available on just clicking on here, the structure. So every single structure, if you just click, then you will get the three options: layout, style, and this advanced. In style, you can mainly change the images, color, like this type of thing you can do. And the layout, it's, you understand about the layout and content things, you can change it. And advanced is some advanced setting. Now in here, let's say if you like to change the text, just click on the text and change it from the left side. Also, if you want to change anything, do it from the left side. Also, if you want to change the link, just click on the link on the button and change the link. And also, if you like to make it a new window, then you can do it from here. Now, this is the way for doing changing. So for example, in here, I like to show all of my courses at once in this section. So what I can do, I can literally just duplicate this section pretty easily, or I can go to here. This section has like this type of thing. So what you can do, this have a one container with 3 images, again have a 3 of them. So what I really want this section to be a little bit higher up. And then I like to delete here this container, again this container, and also I like to add a new container here. So how I can do, I can simply drag and drop here the new container here. So if you see like these, then we need to organize it. Simply drag and drop below it, like here, it's like this way. You can literally drag and drop it. All right, so now as you can see, we get a new one. And now I just want to add here a shortcode, right? Simply just write shortcode, then just add it. And now I want to show here all of the courses here at once. So what you can do, I can search here in Google. Okay, so what I do, I can just literally search in Google like LifterLMS shortcut for all courses. Or if you want to do any specific something, then you can just go to Grok or ChatGPT, or even you can just check their talk here. As you can see here, I have all the shortcuts right now in here, whatever you want. Let's say all courses, you can do it from here. Let me see the category if they have. Yeah, category. So here, as you can see, here we have the category, so I can easily use the shortcut. Or we can try this one also. Let's say I like to select all of them, and let's see it's a work or not. So let's paste and apply it. And as you can see, all of the courses here. So if I just do the publish, reload the page right now in here, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. As you can see, all of the courses here, and people can see it. And now if you like to go within a specific something, then you can do it. They have a lot of options with categories, or even you can just copy and paste it to do this. But I think I want to show all of my courses here. So yeah, this is pretty nice. I really want it. So what I can do here, all courses here, or all like popular courses here. All popular courses is here. So let's do publish, go back and reload the page. Yeah, now as you can see, it's added and all of the courses here. And now people can easily click on here and go to the specific courses. Then what you can do, you can simply copy here these post pop pages, copy it and come back again here on the shortcode, simply paste it, then just do the limit, like how many you want to show, like 6 or 3, how much you want, just write it, then all of this will be available in here. Then simply do the publish to see the changes. And if we go back to the home page, then you will get to see the changes here. Yeah, that's it all about. Now about the header, what you can do, you can just go to here this name and click on here the menus and go here and change the text into all courses. Also, if you like to remove anything, just click on the remove button, then you can remove it. And now if you go to the footer, if you really like to customize the footer, then what you can do, you can click on here again, the customize option, and then you will get this footer option here, the footer setting. And from there, we can update the footer. So let's say I like to go with footer builder. So now in footer builder, I can update it. So any of the design you import using a starter site, it's going to be kind of similar. So you can easily do the rest of the setting from this customization option. That's pretty easy. You can do it. So this is all about how we can customize it. And Elementor, it's pretty much easy. If you still don't understand, then you can watch my Elementor videos because in my channel I already have few of them. I will give you the link in my description. And also if you got any issues about LifterLMS, you can just go to Grok or ChatGPT and ask them what you want, and they're gonna definitely help you to solve the issue with this resource, as you can see. Now it's all about, and now what we just need to do, we need to test one thing. So let's go to incognito mode, open it. Let's click on the login option. Maybe we just need to change it, login or something like this. But now as you can see, this is login and the button is look like this when you update it. Let's go to the all courses. Let's go to the specific courses. Let's enroll for free. And this button really need to be changed. So what you can do here, we can pick here one of the class here. For example, let's say the background color, what do you want? Background color, I want, let's say black something. And also I want the color should be white. Yeah, I want like this type of button. So what you can do, I will give this link to this, or what you can do, you can literally copy this all. Copy all of them, and let's go back to customize option again. And now let's go to additional CSS. It might be a little bit beat up, but I hope you understand. Simply remove this link because this is the class of the button and we don't need this not auto. The button is okay, and this width, we don't need that. And yeah, that's it. Let's publish it. Let's go back here, reload the page. Yeah, now it's done. Also, if I go to this login option, yeah, now it's also changed. That's pretty nice. So in here, what you can do, we can just information like student information. We just need to add here the email, confirm email, password, and then first name, last name, city, all of this information. Then you can easily enroll the course. So now one more thing we need to do, that if you look at this registration page, then you will not get to see any kind of registration option. So we really want to also append this registration option here. So what you can do, we can go to the setting here at this LifterLMS and then go to the setting here and then go to the account. Then you will get this option called open registration. Simply select it and click on here this button called save changes.
And now if I just go back to the page, now if I just click on again the login option, I also get to see the register option. And this might looks pretty long. So we can easily update the forms here. So here have a account option like register option. Maybe we can easily update it. So if you just want to click on this, then few things there, maybe we can remove it, like say the first name, last name. This thing mostly doesn't necessary because it's make pretty much long of this form. So maybe we can just remove it. All right, so now as you can see, the register is pretty much smaller and we can easily create account. So let me create an account here. And here on this password, we really need to put something that's totally strong, not something weak password. And then we just need to click on here, this register option. And now as you can see, we create our account. If I go to all courses, open any of this, if I just enroll it, then yeah, I'm already logged in here. So I just need a little bit information. So I can just keep it here. Let's say my name. Okay. Then I need to put my address. Then I need to put my city. And then I need to put like postcode, all of this thing. And then I can simply enroll this button. And now as you can see, it's enrolled. And if I just click on here, this button, then as you can see, I will get to see my course here. All of my credits and membership and achievement certificates, all of this thing I will get to see here. Also the order history I can see. And this edit account, I can update my information from here. Pretty much easy, not so hard. So yeah, that's it all about. Like if you like to enable this registration option, or if somebody as a user just gonna enroll any of their course, this is the way that I can do. Also, let's say I want to enroll this one also, and this is also I get it. And I can go back to here to see my all courses. Yeah, I can see it pretty easily. And I can, if I like to get started, then I can easily start from here. So this is pretty easy way. As a user, they will get it. And now this is the website condition right now. So this is pretty much easy. Now the one thing we need to learn, that's about how we can set up payment gateway. So in the next, we're gonna get to see that how we can do it.
Now we're gonna see that how we can add this manual payments option. So the manual payments option is a little bit boring, kind of like you just every single time you need to do verify with a user. It's something like either they text you that, okay, I just sent you money and I gave it the access, I already do the registration, like this type of thing you need to do. And if you like to go with like automatic, then you need to buy the subscription. It's around, let me see how much is this. If you go to LifterLMS.com, and then you will get to see the pricing here. Yeah, if you go to there, then you will get to see the pricing. Yeah, it's almost like 149 for maybe per year. Yeah, this is almost 49 per year, and maybe they will give a 50% offer, like this 50%. This take on like less than 100 maybe, if I'm not wrong, if you're just gonna buy this one. Okay, anyway, let's go back to see and how it's mainly the manual one work. So if you like to go with the manual one, like manual one with each of this course, then you can do it. Or if you would like to set up any bundle, then you can do it. So let me show you all of them at once. First, let's go with membership. So let's click on add membership, this button. And let's say this is our monthly membership. And now in here that we can see the instruction that what people need to do. We can like give our bank details here directly, bank details. And then we're gonna say after sending this money, you can just like send a message to our Facebook page, for example. And then they're gonna verify it, or they will do it something like this. Then here you can just add your Facebook link simply, so that after sending the payment, they can send the send the image like this way. And scroll down this, and then you get this access to everyone, definitely. And then just add a plan. Then how it's do you want? It's monthly or one time? How do you want? So let's say I want a monthly. And then what is going to be the price, and it's going to pay or something like this. Do you offer any trial option? No, I don't want it. And when it's going to expire on, yeah, it's going to be expire after 1 month. Yeah, it's going to be expire after 1 month.
and every month, and for 1 month definitely it's gonna be monthly. And let's save it. And also if you like to go with another like annual plan, then you can do it from here, and this might be for 1 year and expire like 1 year. And if you like to enable here like lifetime, then you can do it here. This is one-time payment, and lifetime if you want it, then you can do it. So let's publish it. Also, if you have an image for this, then you can do the membership and set a featured image, and just set any of the image for here. For example, I like to set up here this one, or maybe my profile image. Set it, save it, and let's see the preview, how it's look like. So this is the thing, and people can easily go with like what they do, the monthly, annual, or lifetime. So this is all about the membership. Maybe we also need to change the text to membership. And yeah, you can add here your bank details, all of this. If you just enter, then you can just add your bank details, and then you can just like write more instruction here. I hope you understand what I'm saying about. Okay, now if I go there, then if I just, let's say I want to go with this monthly one, enroll, and for monthly, as you can see, we get to see here this manual option, pay by check. And since the before paid, this already paid, they pay on this our bank details, and they send in information to our Facebook page, then they need to enroll it. And after enroll it, they will get the access. But when they subscribe, what they will get, what the value they will get. So if you go to this general option, then you will get this pricing information here. Also, it's have a restriction, and it's have an auto enrollment. So in auto enrollment, whatever they do or whatever they buy, they will get all of the courses. So you can literally select all of the courses just one by one. Let's say I like enroll all members. Definitely they will enroll all the members. And yeah, then let's say this one will be okay, enroll all members. If you want it, you can do it. Enroll, that means they will automatically enroll it if you just enable it. Okay, now I like to add here this course. I like to add this course also. So all of these courses they will get, also they can enroll it. So let's save it. And now if I reload here the page, now I will get the same thing. If I go to the membership, I'll get to see one membership here. And this is something like this. So membership is like if you want to go with like say 3-course bundle here. If you like this type of membership, they can do it. Let's say if you like to go with like lifetime membership, like this type of catalog, you can definitely set up here. For now, I just only set up one, and with this, I offer all of my courses at once. So let me just enroll here once again. So paid, let me set up in a cheap code. And I just click on this buy now, and as you can see, this is the option like payment instruction here. And when they do it, they will get to say, okay, step 1, payment is this, the same instruction we can give on here, right? And they can send the money, and they can send a screenshot to us. That might be pretty good. Now about this manual payment gateway, you just need to go here this setting, and then you need to go here this checkout option here, the checkout. Then you will get this manual option at here. Just click on the manual option, and here you can just add your instruction. So I told you before that if you like to add your details on here, that's pretty fine. You can just directly give your information there, and people can send the money. But if you don't want, if you feel like, okay, I don't want here, then you can just set up in here. Go to the manual, and here you can just give the payment instruction, give your details, all of this, and then you can just say here like this is the now, let's say now send and message to your Facebook account or something like your WhatsApp account, whatever you like to receive. Just send us a screenshot, we'll give approval. So if you don't want to show them here, so if you don't want to show here, you like to show the benefit, that what the benefit if you get about this membership, you can do it. And here you can just add the payments instruction, you can save it, and they can send the money, and then they will send you a message, and then you're gonna check the order, and you're gonna go here this order, and you can change this status to active, hold, cancel, fail, like this, and update it, and then after your action, they will get to see the courses or they will get another email like this. So this is mainly the thing. This is like enroll, and this something like updated will be this. And if you like to expire it, then you can do it. Also, if you like to cancel it, then you can update their status. So I hope you understand it.
Now let's see that how we can generate coupon. So it's kind of easy. It's not something hard. Click on here these orders and click on coupons, and then click on here add new coupon, this button, and now give a title so that you can easily identify it. And then how do you want? Do you want a discount or do you want percentage discount? What do you want? So let's say I want like $1 discount. And what they're gonna access is any kind of access plan, or they want like recurring or something, a one-time payment, which type of they're gonna use this coupon to purchase in a product. Also, like how much amount you like to get the discount. For example, I like to give them $1,000, like $1,000, and I will like tell people, no, we don't really want it. And let's go to the restriction. If you like to, let's say some of the courses you don't wanna give them access, you can easily do it. Like when they're going to purchase this specific course with this coupon, they cannot. Like this type of thing, you can do it. This is something membership. So any of the membership you like that they cannot use the coupon, you can easily do it. The restriction you can do, and what is the expiration date of this coupon, you can do it. And also that, let me just leave it. So 0 for unlimited uses and 1 for specific. So I like to go with 1, and this is something, the description, so I don't need that. So yeah, this is like hello, this is our coupon name, and the value is $1,000. Now, if I just go back to my website again, and if I just open it in a new window, and if I just go back to membership, go to membership, and I like to enroll this one, and here is the coupon code. I like to go, let's say hello, and as you can see now, it's free for 1 year total, and I can easily buy it. And as you can see, there is nothing like payments option, and if I enroll it, I will exactly get the membership instantly, so I don't need to waiting for like approve or something like this. So yeah, this is how this coupon work. I hope you understand about it. Now let's see that how we can make any of the courses totally paid. For example, this course I like to make it paid, so click on edit button, and if I scroll down a little bit, now as you can see some free options. So right now it's free, but I like to make it's paid. So what you can do, I can go to this little bit like access plan, and here as you can see, so right now it's free, but I like to make it paid. So what you can do, I can click on the delete button and delete it. Now there is no plan. Click on add new plan, and I like to give them, let's say, one-time payment, for example, or if you like to sell or something like discount it, you can do it. So I like to go with one-time payment. And this is something, what is the price? Let's say it's gonna be $1,000, yeah. And it's a one-time payment, and yeah, it's now sale. Let's say sale price is only $500, and sale gonna be in 16, and it's gonna be start from like this. And anyone can buy it, and expire on access will be expire where, so it's going to be lifetime access, for example, because if they enroll the course, I will give this lifetime access. But if you like to expire within 1 year, that's very fine, because we also need to keep in mind our hosting plan, like a video hosting, that's pretty much every single month or every single year we need to pay for it. So if you don't want to bear it, a recurring comes, and then I think limit is better. Okay, now this is the thing. Let's add it. Also, if you like to manually add any student, maybe you can do it. Anyway, so now let's go back to the page. Now, since we already enrolled the course, that's why we get to see like continue option. But as a new user, if you go to the as a new user, they will not get to see like this. As you can see, they will get to see like one-time payment, and that's 21 year access, and sales in this at $500. Let's click on enroll on this button, and then it should pay it. Also, they have a coupon, anything. They can do this using this coupon. Yeah, that's totally free for them, and they can easily buy it and watch my course. So this is how you can just make any of this course totally paid. And yeah, this is pretty easy. It's not something hard. Let me know if you have any questions about this.
Now we're gonna see that how we can just like create like any kind of engagement, like certificate or achievement, like this type of thing. So we need to go here this engagement option, and we need to click on add new engagement, this button. Then what will be the title, mainly what you want? It's something mainly when somebody, let's say complete a course, then let's say this course, for example, I like to give them award, or let's say I like to give them any kind of certificate. So you can easily do this certificate. Let's say something like certificate. And I just make it as a save a draft. And now I just go to the certificate option, add certificate, this button. And yeah, let's say certificate. This is the template. You can definitely customize it. Like, how do you want? I like to make it, let's say UX, and publish it. And now if I go back to engagement again here, and if I just click on this edit button, now if I just click on here the certificate option, now as you can see, I can easily select it. And when somebody completed, then presented this, then yeah, this is the content that we can easily do it, and they can download or print it from there. So I hope you understand. Now if I just publish it, then when somebody complete the course like this one, they will get to see the certificate like that, which is designed from here. From here we can do it. So now we can easily do the customization of the certificate. You can just go to like Grok and ask them how we can update or design the certificate in LifterLMS. They will give you some of the instruction. You can follow this. And in LifterLMS, they have a huge videos or learning videos. And that's a really, really awesome. If you ask to Grok or check the YouTube channel, you will definitely get the answer and you can easily learn it, because it's pretty much easy. It's not something hard to learn. Okay, so this is how you can easily create certificates. Also, if you like to make any kind of engagement, like award something or bonus something, you can do it from here. Also, if you like to send them email, you can do it from here. You can just like add the template and you can just send the thing. Now let's see that how we can add our payment gateway. So the payment gateway, we just need to go LifterLMS, then we need to go here add-on. And for this, we definitely need a premium license key. So I already have one of them. So let me paste it and let me add new this button. And now as you can see, this is now save. And now if I just reload the page, now it's going to be activated. If you look careful that this is, yeah, this is already activated. All right. So now let's scroll down a little bit. Now we can set up whatever you want. Do you want WooCommerce? Do you want Stripe, like PayPal, or like this? Or if you want anything else, then you can do it pretty easily. For example, I like to install here PayPal, definitely. So you click on this install button, apply it. And yeah, it's apply. Also, I need a Stripe one of them. So let's click on add new this button, install, and I cross it. Yeah, install and activate. Okay, so we just need to click on the activate option. Then it's going to be redirect us maybe. Yeah, it's now activated. Also, this is also activated. So what you can do, we can go to here, the setting, and we can go here the checkout option. Okay, so only have a manual option. That means it's not activated yet. So let's reload again. So let's click on activate and activate it. And now it's activated. Also click on here, this payment gateway, LifterLMS PayPal payment gateway activated. Yeah, now it's activated. This both is activated again. So let's again go to setting and go to checkout. Yeah, now PayPal and Stripe are available. So let's enable the PayPal. And now you can like, this is the text. Enable like PayPal sandbox. If you like to enable here, if you just want to go with this developer account, then you can do it from here. So what do you need? You just need an API like username, password, and signature. You can get it from your PayPal account, and then you can like check it, or you can just save the changes when it's kind of done. Okay. So let me save the changes. Also with this Stripe one, you can literally enable it, and this is the text you can do. And right now, let's say I like to go with the text mode, but if you like to connect it, just click on here, this connect option, then they're going to redirect you into the Stripe. And after you connect it, then it's going to be enabled in there. And now when somebody on a website, they just trying to purchase any of this, for example, they like to purchase in a course, or they like to purchase any membership, then let's say I like to go the membership and I like to enroll this one. And now, as you can see, we get a two option. One is like PayPal, one is like a Stripe. And now I can easily pay it from here. For example, I just click on a buy now button. If I fill up everything, click on buy now button, then I can just like give my information, then I will do the payment and everything automatically will be processed and I will get this course access. So this is how easy to make like payment setup. And also it's have some more setting like MailChimp, ConvertKit, Gravity Form, a lot of things there. If you like to enable it, then you can do it. Also, if you like to enable the bundle option, you can easily do the setup. If you like to go with the themes, e-commerce, email marketing, a lot of more settings that are already enabled, as you can see. Also, it's enabled the form, so you can enable it if you like to go with. So yeah, this is a lot of things we already get. So if you really want it, then you can just like explore them all. And also it's have a SkyPilot theme by LifterLMS. You'll get it from here. So now if you just like to install and activate it, then you can do it. But I think for my thing, I think Astra is pretty much good. It's really working fine. So I can go with Astra. So this is all about this payment gateway. Now let's see that how we can disable here this comments option. So for these, what you need to do, each of this page, like where you like to disable this comment option, just click on here the edit option, like edit course, this button at the top, or edit page. Then you'll be redirected this page. On this page, on the slips, the first one, just click on there. Then you will get this option called discussion. Simply go there and it's gonna be closed. Yes, I don't need that. So let's click on save button about this discussion. Let's go back here on the page and let's reload it. And as you can see, there is no discussion option right now. There is no comments option. So yeah, by this way you can mainly just disable or hide your comments option or section from your course page. Now let me show you that how we can connect your Cloudflare or your domain with Rapyd Cloud. So it's pretty much easy. Just click on here the site and then go to the setting. Simply go to the setting and then go to your where you register your domain. So I just go with Cloudflare because it's pretty much cheaper. Like if I compare with other companies. But if you have something like Namecheap or any others, then go to my channel and search here Cloudflare like this. Then you will get a video definitely, or I will give you the link in my description, like this video I'm talking about. So watch this video. Also, I will give you another video about SMTP. Both of this video I will give this in the description. You can watch this. Okay, so now go to setting and now go to here at domain and now click on here add domain. Type here with domain name like a .com or whatever your domain name is. Just do it and also click on here this add domain this button. Then you will get something like this type of thing you will get. Also add this, add it, select it, and then you'll get two options. Now let's go back to Cloudflare. Since my domain registered on Cloudflare, select the domain, go to DNS, and now we just need to add it. Let's add the record, and now we need to add one like type A, definitely. And let's go back at the right and disable here and auto and save it. Let's click on add record and let's go back again here, and it's going to be CNAME with www. Okay, let's go back and it's going to be search your CNAME. If you search, then you get it. An example with this, and record will be at the right, and we can easily add it. Pretty easy. Yeah, let's go back and let's see it is really work fine or not. Add it. Oh no, it's gonna be triple W. So let's go back, and if you would like to edit it, then we can do it. Just triple W, save it. Yeah, now as you can see, both of this added. So this is all about this adding domain or just connecting domain with Rapyd Cloud. So if you just click on this DNS record, then you will get to see a record and CNAME record, and that we just already added here into our Cloudflare. Then as you can see, and within 24 hours, it's going to be done, I believe. So if it's not done, then we need to check it again, or we can just talk with the support. Just click on here, this button, and then you can easily take that support by yourself. Yeah.
Also, if you see that it still is not working, then you can just enable their proxy. Like here, you can literally just enable it auto. Right now I just enable both of these, and let's wait for it and let's see how it's gonna work. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, so now as you can see, if I write here azitutorial.com, then it's gonna be redirect me on my website. If I go to these other pages, and it's gonna be all of them are same as you can see here. Yeah, so if you see that after 24 hours, it's not changing yet, like your domain, it's not connected with hosting, then what you can do? One thing you can do, you can contact with the support. Or if you would like to solve it by yourself, like me, you can just go to your WordPress dashboard and you can go to here, this general, like here, the setting to general. And after this, you need to change here this WordPress URL. So right now, as you can see, I write here my azitutorial.com, this website with HTTPS, since I'm using Cloudflare and they have a SSL, so I just include all of them. So if you don't really understand, like, is they have a SSL or not, when you're just going to write your domain name, then just copy like this way, just copy all of this and then just paste here. Then you will get to see like they have SSL or they don't have. So if they don't have SSL, they will get to see something like HTTPS, HTTP, and if they have SSL, then you will get to see like this type of URL. And also paste the same link here, the site address URL, and just save changes. Then it's gonna be done. Okay, but if you're afraid to do the changes, then talk with them, just contact with their support. I hope they're gonna help you. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, do subscribe and let me know in comment section about your thought,